Welcome back to Traveling Digitally. My name is Josh, and today we are back at Hollywood Studios for Jollywood nights. So I'm currently wearing my Pluto hat here, and yeah, we got our we're getting our stuff, and then we are about to go look at merch and then enjoy our night here. So let's do it. Alright, so we got our wristbands. They gave us some M&Ms and a map. And yeah, so we're good to go here. Alright, we're going to go check out the merch. If you're looking for the merch, it's in the Shorts building here. So we're going to go in and check this out here. And yeah. So you got this Jollywood Night Spirituals for $85. Jollywood's Pin for $20. Jollywood's Adult Tee for $35. Jollywood's Passover Pin for $20. Jollywood Nights Headband for $37. Jollywood Nights Mug for $25. Loungefly $85, but it can be $60 if you have a qualifying purchase. And then Jollywood Nights Ornament. Is this a new character? Is this a new character for this year, Ollie?
He was here last year.
Was he here last year? Okay.
Yeah,
I just wasn't
leading
aware.
into one more.
Oh, okay. So this is what you can get here.
Yeah.
Before I head out here. I'll show you around here. So I'm sure this is where the merch will be probably every night. It's in this room here, this merchandise room. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, well, you can either mobile check out or you can actually go to a register, but I'm just going to mobile check out. These are the two pins that are available in there. The Past Soldiers on the left, the normal ones on the right. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool pins. We are pretty much in the thick of the party. We are heading back to Mania. I am decked out. I am ready to go. We are all partied out, right, Mom?
What?
I am all partied out.
Partied out?
Yeah, partied out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're decked out.
Heck yeah. Decked out, partied out. We got
I
it.
don't know. Partied out means that you're tired.
Nah, I ain't tired.
Where was the other point that you could get wristbands?
It was back there, and then it was One Man's Dream.
One Man's Dream.
Yeah, One Man's Dream.
Little Mermaid.
One Man's Dream, and then back by Galaxy's Edge is where you can get wristbands for the events, if I didn't say that already. So yeah, let's go to Mania, and then the party begins pretty much after that. So yeah, let's go do it, right, Mom?
What?
Let's go do it.
Let's go do it.
Let's go do it, right?
Let's get this
Camera.
done.
Say to the camera.
Let's get this done.
Let's get this done. Well, not get this done. It sounds like we wanted to
Yeah, that's right.
get it over
We
with.
wanted to end. No.
Yeah.
Let's get this going.
Let's get this going. Just saying, I'm gonna win again. Another dub. Another dub coming up. As expected, I won.
Why?
I won the first one. I won the first one.
Yeah, well, you weren't trying because the game was broken.
That's not my fault. And then Tyler won the second one. But I won the first one, so there's that. Some of the Christmas decor here. The cookie, you got the balls over there.
Big alien balls.
Big alien balls. There's a lot of cute stuff over here. But yeah.
Sounds like you playing Toy Story Mania.
But very intricate prop for, it's like a dropped glazed cookie.
Don't show me.
Alright, about the cookie here is that the Green Iron Man is holding him up. That's the best part about this. That's awesome. There's also a popcorn garland over on Woody's lunchbox. So they really thought the stuff through a lot. So it's really nice to see them put some thought and care into the event here tonight. So I think we're gonna go try Slinky. It's not too long, so let's see. Alright, we're just a Slinky Dog. We're gonna go grab a drink, and then we're gonna grab a drink, And then we're going to, oh yeah, there's a toy soldier with a scarf.
Up and down, all around, forward.
We're gonna grab a drink and then we're gonna go see What's This? The Nightmare Before Christmas sing-along thing. And then we're gonna go do some other shows. So yeah, let's go do it. They got Party Source Rex out here. It's pretty cool. You never see Rex really meet and greets at all. They got the Pixar Disco over here. Let's see what's happening over here real quick. It's pretty cool. They got like Frozone and.
I wonder what the tubes were.
Yeah, the tubes were. We just saw the tubes, and I was wondering what those were for earlier, and I got my answer. They're just light tubes. There's a Frozone in there, and the mode, and yeah, it's kind of a nice little dance party. It's pretty vibey. I will admit, it's pretty vibey in there. All right, we were going to go meet Duffy, but just so you know, the cast member outside said that people have been waiting there since 6 o'clock. That's when people started lining up to meet Duffy. It is currently still a 2-hour wait to meet Duffy. That is insane. So get in line for the characters you want, especially Duffy, because they are long. We're in line. We're gonna go see the What's This?
Yeah, 5 of them.
So far.
My friend, you're gonna park right here.
Hello, my friends. What a wonderful sight. Let me welcome you all on this fine Christmas night. Now, you've heard the old story. We all know it well. But that's not the story I came here to tell.
Well, what have we here? Santa Claus, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the one everybody's talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you'd better pay attention now. I'm the boogeyman, and if you aren't shaking, the one thing that would make it work so nice, a roly-poly Santa Claus to add a little spice. So, whoa, whoa, yeah! You're joking. I can't believe my eyes. You're joking me. You gotta be. This can't be the right guy. He's funny. I'm laughing. You really are too much. And now, with your permission, I'm going to do my stuff. gonna get ya! Oh, come here! What the? Oh, brother, you're something. You put me in a spin. You aren't comprehending the position that you're in. It's hopeless. You're finished. You haven't got a prayer. Cause I'm Mr. Oogie Boogie, and you ain't going nowhere. Boo! My dearest friend, if you don't mind, I'd like to join you by your side, where we can gaze into the stars and sit together now and forever. For it is plain, as anyone can see, we're simply meant to be.
And so, as you've seen, there is much to be found in the cover of the night, where such wonders abound. By the light of the moon, in the gust of the wind, from the shadows that mask an old skeleton's grin. Through the fog that collects in the space between dreams, we discover that nothing is quite as it seems. And when we awake, rubbing sleep from our eyes, blinking back at the moon in its cloudy disguise, we ask ourselves, what do we truly recall? Was it really a dream? Did it happen at all?
Why are you awake?
It's the first time I've ever seen that sing-along here. That was a lot of fun. I didn't expect it to be as kind of as performative as it is. So I really enjoyed it. Highly recommend that. Some of the specialty drinks. This is the old fashioned here. And can I film it with it? You got the, what is the cookie martini? Yeah, sugar martini. And then we got the,
What's this? You probably saw that.
What's up?
real quick, got the ginger right there.
It was a good show. Just, I don't think I'm a big enough NBC fan.
It smells really good.
Enough. The puppets and stuff are really cool.
But we got out and we got a drink.
Which is the
That is festive as hell.
Yeah, I got the gingerbread one.
And also you get like a tree in your face while you're trying to drink.
Yeah, that's great.
It really gives you that winter vibe.
Welcome everyone to Disney Jollywood Nights at Disney's Hollywood Studios. And now it's time for our sparkling holiday spectacular, Glisten.
Every night is a celebration. So let's get this party started right now.
There's a magic to winter when the lights are all aglow. There's a feeling of wonder in the ice and the snow. You know it's time to make this Jollywood party come alive.
So grab some tinsel, pull out the holly, and put up a tree. Because it's time to light the lights on the best holiday ever. Now everyone, clap along.
Take a moment with the ones you love. Have a holiday together while you're side by side.
long. Thanks for celebrating with us here at Glisten during Disney Jollywood Nights.
Alright, so fireworks just started, but I think I just want to go to Rise. I just want to go ride some rides. So, that's what I'm going to go do. What is it?
Figgy pudding martini. It's pretty good. Oh, wait. It's stuck on my hand here. Okay.
Cheers.
Pretty good.
It's like a little show going on.
Is it really sweet?
No, it's not. It's really good.
It's just, I mean, it's got some ginger.
There you go. There's a couple fireworks. I ain't showing the whole show though, so I'm sure someone else has got it, but I don't, because we are going to Rise of Resistance, like I said, because it's the last day of vacation, and I just want to ride a ride. So I don't really have to explain myself, but I am. All right, that's it.
You don't like it? You know? What do you listen to?
We're gonna meet Bing Bong real quick. Heck yeah.
You never see meet Bing Bong.
Bing Bong.
You never meet Bing Bong.
We never meet Bing Bong. Hi Bing Bong. How you doing? Alright, taking the time to meet Bing Bong might have cost us riding Rise of Resistance, but still worth it. So yeah. So let's go see what the rise time is now. But if it's not, then we'll get on it. That's fine. At least we met Bing Bong, so that's awesome. That's a win. Alright, we decided to try it. We don't think it's a 15-minute wait because there's a lot of people rushing back here, but we're trying it anyway, so we'll let you know what it was.
Commander 9 Young, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General. Stand clear. Deck doors open now.
Let's go!
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear.
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch. This is your final call on board.
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. More craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got a company. First order flight fighters. Reroute. Right, you keep on getting clear path so transport can make a jump.
Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shoot your blue. Lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to drive them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
Not really working.
Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141 identified.
Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Oh, the AC does feel nice in space. Whew.
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Hands up, don't shoot!
Road droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You have reached detention 1-3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Hey, they're good droids.
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
No! No! Get down! Oh, thank heaven. Good thing we're never going to go back into a bad place.
You
underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
We're safe. What? Get out of here! Get out of here! Oh, woo! That was close. Whoa! 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 What a weird day. Woo! We did it!
All resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about to...
Oh no. No, you're not.
Whoa! Whoa! Get us out of here, R4! Get us out of here! You guys good? Oh. Woo. You're the best droid.
All right.
You're the best droid.
Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure.
Woo!
Bravo!
Yeah!
R5, you too.
R5, you're the best.
Head back, quick oil bath, she'll be back in just a moment. She's the newest to us. We're offering you a little bit of exploration training tonight.
That's so cute. Alright, back in Toy Story Land, we're gonna go on Slinky Dog. Slinky Dog Dash again. So you can actually get a lot done during the holiday party here. So yeah, God, I am sweaty as shit. Alright, we're heading to Brown Derby for try some of that food and drinks over there. Shouldn't take too long, but yeah, then we might go on Rock and Roller Coaster again and Tower Terror maybe. And yeah, oh, Bo Peep's coming. Hi, Bo. You never know who you're gonna see. All right, let's keep it going. Got Lotso over here, Lotso hugging bear. So cute. This is the Hollywood Lights drink from the Brown Derby for the holiday. Tastes like a strawberry daiquiri kind of. So it's pretty okay. It's alright.
Probably better.
Comes with a gold cube. Pretty fun.
You're using my likeness for your video?
Yeah, I gave you my firework footage.
This is a spice pear martini, and it's fire. It's so good. It's like, on our channel, it's a 5 out of 5.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I got the pomegranate whiskey sour. It's pomegranate, it's whiskey, and it's sour. 5 out of 5.
Tofu bao buns.
So the tofu bao buns here. Sticky wings. The shrimp cocktail. Charcuterie board. That's pretty good. That was it.
It's pretty good.
Yep.
You want me to cut you off a small bite so you can try it?
Sure. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's a little spicy.
It's good.
It's got a little spice to it. All right, cool. All right, what did you think of Brown Derby during the holiday party?
It was good.
Okay.
I chugged 2 martinis.
Yeah.
Because we had to get going to try to get on Rock and Roller Coaster one more time.
Yeah, we're going kind of fast.
So, I mean, drinks were strong. Food, from what I had, was decent.
I wish I did try the pork bao bun, but
somebody could have got it.
Yeah, I know somebody could have got it. I could have got it, but I really wanted to get the Rock and Roller Coaster. So yeah, I think you should definitely go though.
Yeah.
If you're inclined to pay the prices, it's kind of expensive, but
it was a fun vibe.
Every small plate's about like $17, I think, a minimum.
Was it that expensive?
Yeah, they're that expensive.
Holy shit.
For not a lot of food. So, I mean, if that's kind of your vibe, then go for it. But, yeah. I mean, the drinks were good. The food was good. So, but of course, it's going to be good. It's Brown Derby. But yeah, so let's go ride Rock and Roller Coaster and end our night here pretty much because it's closed at 12:30 and it is like 12:20 right now.
12:21.
12:21. So we gotta get in line. This is the first time I'm using the standard queue in about 7 to 8 years probably. I always do single rider or I do lightning lane on this ride. I have not gone through the normal queue in literally like a decade. So this is pretty interesting to finally go through the normal queue again. This is so cool to me. I have not gone through this way. It's so fucking long. So sick. Got to ride a rock and roller coaster.
All the way to the coaster, rode it, and got off in like 13 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty good. That was pretty good.
Like that purple light.
So,
Just
I did get a picture with what's his name? Jose? Yeah. I always confuse them. But, yeah. I don't know if I could have put it in the vlog.
Why?
But, huh?
Why?
What do you mean, why? I guess I could splice it in. But, yeah, met Panchito, or Jose, sorry. And shook his hand, told him he was a good musician. But that's pretty much going to end our night here at Jollywood Nights, because it is closed. It is 12:32, I think. And we are tired, we are sweaty, we are going to get Taco Bell. I hope so. I hope so. I'm damn hungry. I am hungry. But yeah, so I think that's it. You guys have any other notes you want to add?
Nope, it was fun. Buy a ticket.
Buy a ticket, yeah. Tyler, anything?
Good.
Good? Okay, cool.
You missed a show, Kermit.
Yeah, we missed a few shows.
You gotta precisely plan what you want to do.
Yeah, I put the disclaimer in the Mickey's Very Merry Party thing. Plan everything or don't plan anything, but don't do the middle. Because you're not gonna...
I don't think you're gonna get everything done without planning.
Yeah. So, anyway, that'll be it. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And bye! We ended up going back to the Brown Derby, and it is empty out here. Look at that barren. You never see this empty. This is crazy. Alright.